Sanibona, welcome back to your Zulu language corner. Today we are learning 5 everyday Zulu verbs that you can use right away. Let's jump in and speak isiZulu together. Our first word is hamba. It means go or to go. Say it with me now. Hamba. Hamba. Now, let's put it in a sentence. Ngiyahamba manje. I'm going now. Use it when you are leaving or walking. Next is phuza. Phuza. And it means to drink. Now, try it with me. Phuza. Phuza. Now let's form a sentence. Uphuza amanzi. And that means he or she drinks water. So you can use this word when you're sipping something cool. Now let's say dlula, which means to pass. Dlula. Let's say it together. Dlula. Now let's form a sentence with the word dlula. Imoto idlula endlini. The car passes the house. This word is useful when talking about movement or vehicles. Here's another helpful one. Funda. Funda is to read or study. Now let's try and say it together. Funda. Funda. Now we're gonna form a sentence. Ngiyafunda eklasini. Ngiyafunda eklasini. I am studying in class. It's perfect for students and book lovers. Last but not least is bona. Bona. It means to see. Repeat after me. Bona. Bona. Now let's form a sentence. Ngibona izinkanyezi. Ngibona izinkanyezi. I see stars. Great job, everyone. Now you can try and speak a bit of Zulu. Now let's recap. Hamba is to go. Phuza is to drink. Dlula is to pass or go by. Funda is to read or study. And lastly, bona is to see. Wow, you've just learned 5 Zulu verbs. Hamba, phuza, dlula, funda, and bona. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun isiZulu lesson. Salani kahle. Thank you. Ngiyabonga.